afternoon, and introduce yourself to the members of the board briefly.
Okay. My name is Muhammad Sadat and I'm from Malappuram in Kerala. I have completed my secondary education in my native school, GHSS Puttur Pallikal. I have completed my degree in Department of Civilizational Studies from Darul Huda Islamic University. And currently I'm doing my PhD in Darul Huda Islamic University. And apart of the academics, I would like to read novels and capture the photos and videos throughout my travels. That's all.
So your preference is IAS, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you have mentioned in your CV that it gives you the chance to do some constructive things for the society in areas like health and education. So why these two? Are these because you personally like them, or you think that these two are the most important
Yeah,
areas?
it's in my opinion, health and education is the most important thing in our village or in our villages. So, as an administrator, we can confirm that we can assist to develop these two most important sectors like health and education.
So yeah, but you don't have any formal training in health. I mean, health-related area, right? How are you going to solve issues related to health if you don't have any formal training in that?
I don't have any formal trainings, but I believe that as an administrator in a village, in a district, I can manage these two important sectors in health and education by assisting them to foster their ideas to develop the villages.
So you are focused on villages.
Village or district.
Okay. I mean, which one do you think managing which sector do you think is most crucial for the development of our country? Is it health sector in rural villages or in urban areas?
Health is both rural and urban. Yeah.
Right. So are you familiar with the famous health institute related controversy in Kerala in last few months? There's a famous issue of related to a medical college in Kerala.
I don't know.
Oh, you are not here of that. Okay, fine. So you have you are taking sociology as your BA education, right? BA.
Inshallah.
Okay. So how do you think that will help you to solve these two things, health and education?
Okay. So as per the sociology is the study of the society. So basically, to administrate a society, we want to study the societal structures of the of a society to improve their classes or the ranges to a well-developed world.
Mr. Sadat,
Yeah.
your expertise areas are management skills, problem solving, videography. At the same time, you have mentioned about your ambition or your aim to clear the health and educational problems. To solve this problem, is there any need to become an IAS? Is there the scope to be a good teacher in the field of education and a good doctor in the field of health?
Absolutely, sir. Because an IAS can make these sectors, education and health development sectors, improve with assisting them to conduct their programs and several programs to this community. And also with the videography, we can also inform the right information from the administrative level to confirm the misinformations from the others. So the information from the IAS becomes most important for the community.
Okay. Imagine you have selected as a IAS civil servant, IAS officer,
Yeah.
and appointed as a sub collector in your native village,
Yeah.
Kozhikode. What about your prime priorities regarding the problems that our state or nation facing in health issues or educational aspects.
Okay. Basically, in Calicut, we know that there is a lot of education institutions, and also the problem is that there is no there is no appropriate jobs for the education from the education. So the youth didn't get the jobs, and they are changing their job segments from these nations to the countries, another countries. So we can manage this with the giving more employment opportunities to the as an education sector. That's all.
As you mentioned, your dream to do with the education sectors, what can you do to stop the migrations of new generation to external nations regarding the career aspects?
Okay, as we know, the youth is the most important resource in our country and in our state. So migration is very important problem. So we want to solve this problem through the by giving the appropriate education with the job skills also. So we can develop the country with giving most important job opportunities in the our nation. So
Mr. Sadat, your expertise in both English and Arabic language. Do you think language is a hindrance? Do you think language is a hindrance to social mobility or social development?
hinders
Hindrance or a problem or a blockade to social development?
basically English and Arabic is a most important language that
Not
English.
about English and Arabic. My question is that in social development or social mobilization, is language a blockade?
Language is a blockade.
The role of language in social or social
Yeah,
development.
yeah, it's very important. The role of language is very important because the society is the communication of the society is based on the languages. So in our state, the English and Arabic is basically studied by the persons.
Then you are imagine you are appointed as a collector or sub collector like etc. in a district Bihar. What will be your attitude?
District
In Bihar,
okay.
out of Kerala, and you don't know the language, what will be your attitude?
I will not engage in that activity because I don't know that language. So it will be very difficult for me.
How do you solve the problem?
I don't know. Yeah, maybe.
Okay, thank you.